Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Ishan Akbar from Civil Engineering Excellence Academy. Today we are going to discuss the third part for basics of civil engineering. This is the third video which I am arranging for you for civil engineering basics. So before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications. Thank you. Let's start with the video. The first element in concrete structures, that may be plain cement concrete or reinforced cement concrete, that is the cement. The basic part of any construction work is cement. So we must know the basic properties or basic elements for cement. The first factor which we encounter while studying the cement is the weight of one bag of cement. The weight of one bag of cement is 50 kgs, 100 pound, 110 pounds, 3.43 slugs. These three are the weights of one bag of cement that comes in 50 kgs weight per bag. That bag may be in 50 kgs, 110 lbs mean pounds, and 3.43 slugs. So the second thing is the volume of one bag of cement. Volume of which bag? A bag with whose weight is 50 kgs or 110 pounds or 3.43 slugs. The volume of one bag of 50 kgs, 110 lbs or 3.43 slugs of cement is 0.0347 meter cube, 1.25 feet cube. In meter cube, its volume is this one. This is the volume for meter cube cement quantity, and in one bag of cement, the volume is 1.25 feet cube. So it means if we have one bag of 50 kgs of cement, then its volume will be 1.25 feet cube and 0.0347 meter cube. So the third property is number of bags of 50 kg of cement for unit volume. Unit volume means 1 meter cube or 1 feet cube. If you require 1 meter cube of cement volume, then you will need 28.8 bags exactly or approximately 29 bags. It means if you want or you need 1 meter cube of cement of volume, then you will have to arrange 28.8 bags or 29 bags of cement. Similarly, if you need 1 feet cube of cement volume, then you will have to arrange 0.82 bags, mean approximately 1 bag or simply 41 kgs of cement. The fourth property of cement is the density of cement. The density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube, means 1440 kilograms in 1 meter cube. The second value of density is in other units, that is PSF units. This value of density is in SI units, and next value of density is in PSF units. This is 90 lb per foot cube. The density of one bag of cement or the cement available in 50 kgs bag, that is 90 lb per foot cube. And in kg per foot cube, the density is 40.78 kg per foot cube. It means that in 1 foot cube of cement, you will require 40.78 kgs. This means that in 1 foot cube of volume, you will require 90 lbs or 90 pounds of cement, and it means that in 1 meter cube of volume of cement, you will require 1440 kgs of cement. The fifth property is the space or area or height covered by the cement bag whose weight is 50 kgs. The space taken by a cement bag of 50 kgs is simply it covers a floor area of 0.3 meter square or 3.23 feet square. If you place a cement bag over the ground surface like this, suppose this is a cement bag, then it will cover this area, and this area in feet cube is 3.23 or in meter cubes it is 0.3 meter cube. If you place a 50 kg bag on any surface, then its surface area will be 0.3 meter square or 3.23 feet square. Then What height will it cover? It will cover a height of 0.18 meter. The height covered by a one cement bag, suppose we have placed a bag and this is its section from the other side, and its height will be equal to these values. This may be 7.1 inches exactly, 0.6 feet less than 0.6 feet, or 0.18 meters. So simply we can say that a one bag when stacked on the surface of earth will occupy a area of 0.3 meter square or 3.23 feet square, or height it will take when lying on any flat surface, it will cover a height of 0.18 meters or 0.6 feet or 7.1 inches. So the next sixth property of cement is its number of 50 kgs bag of cement for unit volume stacking in store. It means if you have an area of 1 meter cube or 1 foot cube in your store, then how many bags you can store in that area. This simply, I will show one figure to make you able to understand this point. The number of 50 kg bags of cement for unit volume stacking mean you have a space of 1 meter cube or 1 foot cube. And how much bags will you be able to stack in this unit area in 1 meter cube or 1 foot cube? Simply you can stack 18.5 bags of cement whose weight is 50 kg. When weight of one bag is 50 kgs and you want to stack bags, these 50 kg bags in 1 meter cube area, volume, then you will need or you will require 18.5 bags for that 1 meter cube occupation. So in 1 foot cube, simply you can understand this point by this figure, that we have this figure, this stack of cement, its width is 1 meter, its length is also 1 meter, and its height is 1 meter. So for this 1 meter dimension area or this wooden stack, how many bags of cement you can stack on this area, on this volume, you will be able to stack 18.5 bags maximum in this 1 meter cube volume. If these dimensions are not meters, if they are feet, 1 foot length, 1 foot width, and 1 foot high. It means that you have an available volume of 1 foot cube. Then what will happen? For 1 foot cube of available space for stacking, zero point 0.5 or half bag can be stacked. It means that if you have available space of 1 foot cube on your floor area, then you will be able to stack half bag of cement on this surface. In case of 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, volume, then you will be able to store 18.5, and in case of 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot volume, then you will be able to stack zero point 0.5 or half bag of cement. The seventh property of cement is the best time to use cement in construction work. The expiry date for the cement from its construction time is 90 days, that is 3 months. It means that if we use this cement after 90 days, then it will start losing its strength. So simply, if we use the cement after 3 months, the 3 months means 90 days after its manufacturing date. So you will have to use this within 3 months of its manufacturing date. After this period, cement starts losing its strength. So the good time or good duration to use a cement from its manufacture date is 3 months. It means that if you buy a bag of cement on 1st October, then you will have to use it till 1st October, till 1st November, it will be 1 month, till 1st December, it will be 2 months, and till 1st January, it will be 3 months. So you can use this cement which is manufactured on 1st of October, it can be used effectively since 1 till 1 January. If you will use this after 1 January, then its strength will be decreased. Now, The eighth property of cement is initial setting time of cement. This is very important property of cement because this decides the transportation and pouring of concrete from one point to another point. So initial setting time of concrete is required to be 30 minutes minimum. It means that any cement sample which gives initial setting time less than 30 minutes, then this will be classified as bad cement or not good cement for construction work. So minimum initial setting time of cement should be 30 minutes. Less than this is not acceptable. Means if you have a cement sample which gives a initial setting time of 28 minutes, then you will reject this cement as civil engineer. Your requirement is the minimum 30 minutes as initial setting time. So the next question is the final setting time of the cement. The final setting time of the cement is maximum 10 hours. It means that 600 minutes are maximum time for final setting time of cement. If you observe any cement having more hours as final setting time, you will reject this as civil engineer and you will not use it in construction work. So the maximum time allowed for final setting time is 10 hours. After 10 hours, the concrete loses its plasticity. It means if you have a cement sample whose final setting time is 11 hours, then it will not lose its plasticity at 10 hours, and it means that its plasticity losing duration is increased, due to which its strength will not be up to the mark. So keep in mind the initial setting time of cement is 30 minutes minimum. It means that you must gain a initial setting time of cement more than 30 minutes or minimum 30 minutes. For final setting time of cement, you must obtain it as maximum 10 hours. You may obtain less than 10 hours or less than 600 minutes. More than this value is not acceptable. The 10th property of Portland cement is specific gravity of Portland cement. This is special for Portland cement. Other types of pozzolana cement or high strength cement, that their specific gravities may be different, but for Portland cement, the specific gravity is 3.15. But other cement types have different specific gravities. The 11th property of the cement is purpose of cement and concrete or mortar. That what is the function of cement in concrete or mortar? If do not use cement in concrete or mortar, what will happen? The cement is very important part of cement, concrete or mortar. Why? Because this is used as a binding material in concrete or mortar. If you will not use the cement in concrete or mortar, you will have to use lime or other binding materials. But this cement is a good hydraulic binder, means this shows good binding properties in presence of water. So this is good hydraulic binder. That's why it is used mostly in the world construction for concrete and mortars. The 12th property is contents of Portland cement. The Portland cement is prepared by arranging lime, silica, alumina, and iron oxide. That is 63% of lime, 22% of silica, and 6% alumina, and 3% iron oxides. Lime is 63%. The most or maximum component which is present in Portland cement is 63%. Keep in mind that these percentages are only for Portland cement, not for any other type of cement. The 13th property of cement is the addition of gypsum. Why do we add gypsum in cement? Why gypsum is added in cement? This is added to increase the initial setting time of cement. If this is not added, the initial setting time of cement will not be attained as 30 minutes, which is minimum requirement. We add gypsum to increase the initial setting time of cement so that we can use cement for intended purposes in civil engineering construction. So 30 minutes is minimum required initial setting time for cement. This IST means initial setting time. The 14th property is grinding quality of cement. How can we check the grinding quality of cement in any burning process or cement preparation centers, that the grinding is of good quality or bad quality? Simply you will sieve the material, final material cement in from sieve number 9, and you will observe if the percentage retained on number 9 sieve is not greater than 10%, it means that cement is of good quality, and this test is known as fineness test. Mean you have a sample of cement, and this is a sieve number 9. You will take a number 9 sieve, you will put 500 grams of cement in this sieve like this, and there will be a pan. When you will sieve this material by shaking it horizontally and vertically, or at some inclination, there should be a material behind. If you are using 50 gram of sample, then the material behind or retained material on number sieve 9 less than must be less than 50 grams. Retained material on number 9 sieve from 500 gram of cement should be less than 50 grams. It means less than 10% of the total amount of cement. If this percentage retained is less than, it means that percentage retained should be less than 10% for what? For number 9 sieve. Then this cement will be of good quality and its grinding is done in a good manner. The 15th and last property in this video lecture is the consistency test. For consistency test, Vicat apparatus is used. Vicat apparatus is used, or Vicat apparatus is used. There is a plunger used in Vicat apparatus. The plunger has a diameter of 10 millimeter and its length is 40 to 50 millimeters. The dia of the Vicat apparatus plunger is means if this is the plunger used in Vicat apparatus, this is a circular plunger. Its dia will be equal to 10 millimeters, and according to various standards, its length may vary. Its length is this one, and it may vary from 40 millimeter to 50 millimeter. 40 to 50 millimeters. So it's all about for today's lecture. Thank you very much. See you again. And if you like my videos, please refer to your friends or other students. Thank you very much.